What is emancipation of a minor in family law? Imagine being able to make your own decisions about where you live, your education, and your health before turning 18. That's what emancipation is all about. It's a legal process that frees a minor from their parents' or guardians' control. When a minor becomes emancipated, they gain many rights usually reserved for adults. This means they can sign contracts, get a job, and make medical choices on their own. But emancipation doesn't give all adult rights. For example, an emancipated minor still can't vote or legally drink alcohol. There are different ways a minor can become emancipated. One common way is through a court order. The minor must petition a family or juvenile court and prove they can support themselves financially. The court looks at whether they are mature enough to handle responsibilities. Another way is by getting married. In many places, if a minor marries legally, they are automatically emancipated because marriage involves adult duties. Enlisting in the military with parental consent also often leads to emancipation. Some states recognize emancipation if the minor is economically independent, has finished school, or has parental approval to live alone. To qualify for emancipation, minors usually need to show they are financially self-sufficient. They must have a stable place to live and demonstrate maturity. Courts also consider if the minor is fleeing from abuse or neglect, which might support their case. Once emancipated, minors can live on their own and keep their earnings. They can rent apartments, enter into contracts, and even apply for financial aid or college. They can also make medical decisions for themselves and sue or be sued in their own name. If they have children, they can also make decisions for their own kids. Parents are no longer legally responsible for supporting an emancipated minor. They are also not liable for any debts the minor incurs after emancipation. However, if the minor cannot support themselves, or if both parties agree, emancipation can be canceled. The minor might return to live with their parents and ask the court to rescind the emancipation order. In family law, emancipation marks a big change. It shifts legal rights and duties from parents to the minor. It's a serious step that requires court approval and is not granted lightly. The process balances protecting minors and recognizing their growing independence.